Sit comfortably with legs closed. Keep your spine taut and relaxed. Rest your hands on your knee. Close your eyes and take deep breath. Step one foot forward and bend your front knee. Extend your back leg, stretch behind you. Lift your arms overhead and lengthen your spine. Hold and breathe deeply. Kneel on the floor and sit between your heels. Keep your back stretched and shoulders relaxed. Place your hands on your thighs. Hold the pose and breathe slowly. Kneel down and sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward. Lower your chest and forehead to the mat. Relaxed and breathe deeply. Sit with your legs straightened. Place each foot on the upper side thing. Rest your hands on your knee. Keep your spine stretched and breathe calmly. Start on your hands and knee. Lift your hips up and back. Straighten your legs as much as comfortable. Press your heels toward the floor and breathe. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Thank you for practicing with me today. Stay healthy and stay consistent.